Hi, I'm Solana with Advocates of Sacred, reminding you to wear your mask, wear your gloves, wear your protection when you're out in public, when you have to be out. If you don't have to be out, stay home. Staying home is an opportunity for you to take care of yourself, for you to preserve your health, your family. I invite you to practice breathing when you're at home. I invite you to know and remember that air is the only thing that can manipulate water. Air is the only thing that can preserve and protect water. When you take a deep breath, your breath moves the water inside your body. Your body is exactly like Mother Earth, mostly water. Your body is mostly water, so it's mostly emotions. Your emotions can freeze in fear. That water can freeze in fear. Your emotions can boil in anger. So your water can boil. You can be boiling mad. Your breath is the only thing that can help your emotions, your water. I invite you to practice breathing, deep breaths, in for 4, out for 7, and increase it, in for 7, out for 9. I invite you to share breathing practices with your children, with your loved ones. Make those calls to your elders, to your aunties, to your uncles, to your community. Call them, do FaceTime, do video, and stay home. If you have to be out, wear your mask, wear your gloves, throw them away. Wash your hands. Practice breathing. Practice breathing. Take care of your water. Thank you.